This is MC Martin's Entertainment, where we rebuild hope. Please like, subscribe, and share.
I know what I
You can't mix like that, you beat it.
this.
No, you will
Yes,
pour.
that's how mommy.
No, let me show
Get
you.
it like this.
Let me show you. You do it like this. See?
Oh, I get it.
Did you put salt?
Yeah. That's too much salt you did. You already add salt.
Okay. Now,
No,
no,
now you have to turn that.
you turn on the, yeah.
Low? Low.
Yeah.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
Okay, now we put the oil.
Yes, a little bit though.
Yeah, just a little bit. Tell me when to stop that.
That's okay.
Stop.
You can use the spoon to spread it. Yeah. Mommy says you first go wash your hands.
I wash my hands too because I'm doing it next.
So this is how you do it, Jaden, huh? You hold like this, yeah? For it to be flat, you can bring it like just like this.
But that's gonna scrape.
Now we have to open the bread.
You need to wait first for the pan to heat up, yeah?
Yeah, it needs to heat up. That's why I put it on high first. I put it on high and it heats. Cloudy, really.
Just opening the bread.
And you know you're gonna have to touch the egg with your hand.
No.
Yes.
You don't have to.
You don't have to. You don't have to, but then she's gonna mark.
I'm not gonna mark out like this.
Like how?
Like this.
How would you put the? Yeah. How would you put this inside there?
Oh, you dip it inside there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get it. But I got what
So
you
you have to put it.
Yeah.
So today's Chef Jaden and Zawadi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it heat up?
I don't know. What do you think?
And not yet.
Because it's low.
Yeah, put it at
I'll
6.
put it a little bit high.
Is it warming?
Yeah.
Don't get your head closer there.
That mommy told me to put that.
Oh yeah, it's already warmed.
All times.
Daddy, it's already warmed.
No, it's not.
Mommy told me to put it there.
I'm saying it's not warm.
It's not warm?
If it's warm, then that thing is already still doing that.
You can taste it with check the spoon, the one you have. Just drop it.
Yeah,
Not much. No, drop everything. Drop everything.
This?
Put the bread aside. Yeah. No. Drop everything. Everything.
Okay, drop.
Yeah. Okay. Now bring it. Now put a little bit.
No.
No. So you wait until you see that like it's.
Until it's like.
Oh, it's a little bit white.
Eh.
Daddy.
Not yet.
Inapiga ni kama na namba yako. I don't know inaconvert aje inakuwa.
Yeah.
Na itakucharge.
So uliweka pesa.
$7.
Sawa. No, give it a few.
Ukiongea 6 minutes, natumia 12 for 4 minutes.
Ah.
I'm not using the spoon. Fine, just keep it there. Daddy?
Yeah. Okay, just take another spoon. Just take another spoon over here.
Jaden, it just fell. Why did you say Ashwani?
Because it fell.
Why? You could just pick it up.
Oh, Zawadi. Okay.
I'm just putting this in the thing.
You should not dip your fingers in there. Now, Jaden, it's good. Zawadi, go take that to the sink. Come take a slice of bread, dip it in the. It's going to slide back again inside. Okay, so pick a slice of bread,
Okay.
Yeah, it's ready.
dip it inside the.
Dip it.
Yeah.
Other side. And then
Okay.
put it in.
I put it in
Wait.
till it drops.
This chef. Aya, bring it.
Okay, put it in.
Why are you running away?
I was fearing. Because, like, how about if you traumatized my face, I wouldn't be beautiful.
So you don't throw it, yeah? You slide it.
You put it in.
Oh, I slide it?
Yeah, because if you throw it,
I'll be making the other ones.
yeah.
After I'm doing my own batch, I want to.
Wait.
It's
I'm just dipping it in. And I'll be in.
You can do 2 slices, yeah?
2 seconds.
I slide it.
Slide it. Don't throw it. Why would you throw it?
Oh, yeah.
I didn't turn this
Sorry.
one. Don't hold with your hand.
Be careful. Be
No, you don't need a fork. You do like this, you see?
Daddy,
Chef Daddy.
You're like
Let me
a
play
Ugali
Daddy.
man because you do that.
Ugali
And then he wears a vest, a short, every single time when he does a video. A little.
Wait, Zaddy.
Okay, I'm just dipping it in. That's what I was saying before. Ew. I flipped it successfully.
Yeah, congratulations.
We didn't turn this on. No, but it's bad for
Yeah,
you.
just do it.
Okay, what? I put?
Yeah, nice.
Did it hurt? No. You hear that crunch?
Mnapika nini?
My eye.
Toast mayai.
Uh-oh, this side's not cooked.
No, yeah, turn it.
No, it was not.
Okay.
It was white.
I don't put another one Zawadi yet.
Okay, I'm just dipping it in. See? It's not dropping. It's not even dropping that much.
This one's burning. It's ready. Now how do I remove it?
Just like you pick it up. Yeah. Get that one to pick it.
Now I slide it.
Now we need to put some small oil, little oil. Not too much. Just wait for Jaden to remove this one. Turn it fast.
Trying to.
Yeah. Squeeze it with your spoon.
And then Then I put a little bit of oil.
Just a little. Not a lot.
Yeah.
That's alright. Why is it, when it's hot, why does it go so smooth?
Yeah,
But
because
then it's gonna evaporate.
I put it slowly, Zawadi.
But then it's oil jumped on my
Do push it.
It's not gonna hurt you, Jaden.
It does hurt.
That's not gonna hurt me
You're not even doing this.
because I'm a little kid. Like talk like a grown up for some reason. You see that?
Turn it. Now reduce the amount of heat.
No.
Again. Reduce again. Yeah.
Now it's not gonna pop. Much better. This side's not yet done.
Jaden, you have to like poke it. Not like poke it, squish it.
See, I know. Very tough.
So let's see if
Oh,
it's
it's
not
hot.
shiva. Do you see inside?
See?
Yeah. Daniel. Nimepunguza mpaka nini?
Daddy, can you guys didn't put any eggs in this? Why?
That you have to wait for this one to get ready.
And you also have to put some.
How is it? How is your own cooking?
It's good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Eh? How is your own cooking, sir?
It's good.
It's good. Let's hear, mommy.
Hello.
Are you enjoying
Yeah.
your daughters and sons' breakfast?
Yeah, it's actually quite good.
Is
I
it?
thought it's Itaiva, but it's good. Look, it's nice. You guys did a good job.
And
okay?
it's crispy
You should do
brown.
this more.
It is?
It's crispy brown.
Hello.
Crispy brown. Okay.
Hello.
Try it again. It's fine. Careful, eh? Try again. Try it again, Jaden. That was a good shot. Good. Another one is fine. Go on. Try again. Don't worry. Give it another shot. No rush. Take your time. Take your time. Woo! Oh, what a good shot.
Oh my God! Wow!